Okay, in this tutorial, I'd like to show you how you can look and see if you have scale reliability. Many of you are using measures that have multiple items or questions that measure one variable, for instance, empathy. In this case, I'm looking at my freshman survey from 2007, and I'm interested in knowing whether I have a variable that I might call weight loss intentions. And you'll notice here, this year I plan on questions 16 through 20 indicate methods that people might use to lose weight: exercise, diet, vomiting or taking laxatives, taking diet pills, or smoking cigarettes. So I want to know whether these 4 or 5 items actually represent one variable called weight loss intentions. So the first thing I'm going to do before I compute a mean for that, to call it that variable, is I want to see if I have established proper scale reliability. You may remember when we talked about scale reliability and measurement reliability, we talked about using Cronbach's alpha, which measures the internal consistency of the items. In other words, do the items seem to be representing the same variable, or are they measuring something different? So the process of doing this is very simple. I'm going to go into my SPSS data set, and I'm going to go up to Analyze. Then I'm going to go down to Scale, and from Scale I'm going to go to Reliability Analysis, and from there I'm going to select the variables that I want to put into my reliability analysis. So I've got them already here, but let me just show you a little shortcut. Once I've identified the items on the left side of the list, I can click on one, and then I can go to the last item I want in the list, which is question 20. I can press the Shift key and click, and it will highlight all the items, and this can be valuable if you have a long scale like 20 items. I'm going to move all of these items over. I'm going to click the Statistics button, and none of these will be checked when you click on it, so you want to click Item, Scale, and Scale if item deleted. So you click these 3 things under Descriptives for, and click Continue. I've given this a scale label. I've called it Reliability for Weight Loss Intentions. And you notice the model is alpha, which is what we want, Cronbach's alpha. I'm going to click OK. And my output pops up, and you see it's got my scale label, Reliability for Weight Loss Intentions. It gives me the descriptive information I asked for. And right here is the box that's very important. Cronbach's alpha is 0.674. We said in class that the commonly accepted reliability is 0.70 or higher. It's not necessarily a hard and fast rule, but if I wanted to stick to that, I would say that I do not have adequate reliability for that scale. So one thing I can do is look at my item total statistics, this box, and it tells me what would happen if I deleted each item. So if I took the plan to exercise to lose weight item out, you'll notice that my scale reliability actually goes down. If I take dieting to lose weight out, it goes down. If I take vomiting to lose weight, it stays about the same. It goes down a little if I take the diet pills question out, and it stays about the same if I take the smoking to lose weight out. So there's really nothing I can do. I can't delete any of those items to try to improve my scale reliability. So one thing I could do is I could treat each of these items as a separate variable in my analysis, instead of computing a mean for all of these items. Or another thing I could do is look at the means. And one thing that jumps out when you look at the item statistics is that exercising to lose weight and dieting to lose weight have much higher means than vomiting, taking diet pills, or smoking to lose weight, which probably indicates that the first 2 questions represent socially acceptable ways to lose weight, and the last 3 are probably socially unacceptable ways to lose weight. So it's possible I could combine these two items into one variable and these three into another if I wanted. But that's a decision that you'll need to make as you think about your analysis.